바보처럼, 바보처럼. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is 처럼. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study 처럼. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 343. 처럼, 처럼. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ch, second syllable is rom. Pronounce it with me. 처럼, 처럼. The Korean word 처럼 is used to say like something. Again, 처럼 is attached to a noun to indicate that something is like that noun. So we will learn more about this later. But for now, let's learn first how to write 처럼 in Hangeul. So this is composed of only two syllables. For the first syllable ch, we need to draw first a chiat character followed by an a character. For the second syllable rom, we need to draw first a real character followed by an a character followed by a miem character. And then we just need to combine the Hangeul for each of these two syllables to write 처럼 in Hangeul. Now let's try looking at this example. It says, like a fool. Again, like a fool. The Korean translation of this is 바보처럼. Again, it's 바보처럼. So 바보 means fool. This is an informal term, so be careful with using that word. And 처럼 is our word for today, which means like something. So when we attach 바보 to 처럼, it would result to a phrase which means like a fool. So for this case, the noun attached to 처럼 is 바보. So the meaning of the phrase becomes like a fool. So this could also be used to describe something, to be like something. So looking back to this, which was flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 바보처럼 is like a fool. And with that, you've just learned 처럼. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 333 to 342. But don't forget our word for today, word number 343, it's 처럼, which means like. The first word for our review is word number 342, it's 어때, which means what do you think or how is. Next word is 오렌지, which means orange. Next word is 다섯, and this is the native Korean number 5. Next word for our review is 보라색, which means purple color. Next word is 배우, which means actor. Next word is 요리사, which means chef or cook. Next word is 여배우, which means actress. Next word is 쓰레기, which means trash. Next word is 7월, which means July. And the last word for our review is word number 333. It's 요리하다, which means to cook. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.